Top 5 apps like Bunby Bunny reviews that actually worked today. Bunby Bunny is popular for cute accessories and gifts, but most people get this wrong by limiting themselves to a single platform. The surprising truth is there are several apps offering similar products with verified reviews and safe shopping. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Etsy offers a variety of handcrafted and unique items. Users highlight authentic reviews and seller reliability. Second, Amazon provides a broad selection of cute accessories and gifts with verified bar feedback. Customers appreciate fast shipping and competitive pricing. Third, eBay features collectibles, toys, and accessories with seller ratings and verified reviews. Many users find it reliable for hard-to-find items. Fourth, Wish offers fun and quirky items at affordable prices. Users report discovering unique products and fast delivery options. Finally, AliExpress provides a huge range of cute accessories with verified reviews and tracking. Customers love variety and affordability. Pro tip: always check seller ratings and verified reviews before purchasing. This ensures quality and timely delivery. Using these 5 apps, you can safely shop for cute gifts and accessories while enjoying verified feedback from real users.